guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I plan my travel. There are 8 steps that I have, or technically 7, which will hopefully give you some ideas on how you can travel yourself. I work out how long I'm going to be in each place and I work out how I'm going to get there. For example, I'm flying into Auckland and then catching the train down to Wellington. That train journey was something I decided because it was relatively cheap and I've heard some really good things about the train journey and the scenery, and I think it was really good. Number 2, which is kind of tied to number 1, you want to do it around the same time, is you want to make a budget. You want to know how much you are planning to spend. The way that I do it is I work out how many days I'm there for, and for each day I give myself a budget. So that could be a budget for food, a budget for spending and activities. Number 3, I use TripAdvisor whenever I'm planning a holiday. I use it especially if I have no idea about the place that I'm going to or the things that I should see and do there. I usually check out the top 10 things to do in that city and I look through them. You don't have to choose everything, just choose the things that you are interested in. And number 4, after you've had a look at TripAdvisor, I compile a list of things that I want to do. So this is usually a rough list. Some of the things that I put on that list I don't end up doing. Number 5, put them on a map. So Google Maps, I'm not sure exactly what the program is, but I will link it in the description below. But basically you can pinpoint all the places that you want to go and the place that you're staying, so you know this is where I have to end up at the end of the day. And then you can have a look at it on a map and go, okay, so I'm here for 3 days. These things are all close together, so I'll do them on one day. These things are all close together, I'll do them on another day. And it's really helpful for planning your days. Have a rough schedule, it doesn't need to be exact, but have a rough idea of what you want to do on each day, and you'll use the map to work out what you want to do. So like I said before, you want to group all the places together so you can do them on one day, so travel is really, really easy. The next thing you want to do is pack. I have a video coming out soon about what I'm bringing to New Zealand for a month, so if you're interested, stay tuned for that one. But yeah, the last thing is just to pack and be reasonable and do your research on the country where you're going or the place that you're going. Look at the weather forecast, look at typical weather in that month that you're going or something like that, and then you're good to go. So that's all that I do when I'm planning a trip. I hope that was useful for you. If it was, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment below what you want to try and where the places that you want to go. So I just filmed like the entire, well, not the entire video, and then I realised that I still had it on time lapse. So there's going to be a great time lapse in there somewhere. But damn, that's annoying.